guys, welcome back to Diamond Hands Trading Channel. Today I'm going to be trying to do a really quick tutorial just to go over what a bullish and a bearish divergence is. I know you'll see this term a lot going on in the future. I'm going to show you how to spot that beforehand, what indicators you need on your trading view chart to be able to spot it, and then how to trade it. So first off, we'll just hop right into the definition. A bearish divergence may be a signal to close your position before it falls back on itself. So what we're doing is we're trying to spot a reversal before it happens. So if we're in longs, it's a bearish divergence, we can close that or possibly go short, secure our profits, or at least set a stop loss to protect your gains. Meanwhile, a bullish divergence indicates a possible entry point for traders before the price begins rising. Again, so we're making lower lows and lower highs, and we're trying to spot that reversal with a bullish divergence. Recognizing these differences and divergences can help you sell high and buy low. And that's the goal in trading, is it not? Alright, so let's go over a quick diagram here. As you can see, so we got the bearish on the left, bullish on the right. We'll go over regular divergences. So the blue line, let's just refer to that as price. So we're in bullish price action. We're seeing price go up, making a higher high, came back for a pullback, higher low, exceeded that high, closed above, made another higher high, etc. So that ABC formation has been completed. So we're in bullish price action. The indicator you're going to need to see bearish and bullish divergences is RSI, and that's also known as the Relative Strength Index. So that's basically an algorithm just going over volume and momentum. It's a momentum indicator, and you'll have that at the bottom, and that also has a line like this, and we'll go over the actual chart in a minute. But yeah, so basically a bearish divergence would be when you're making higher highs and higher lows, but when you look at your RSI, you're actually making lower highs and lower lows. It's the complete opposite. So that would signify a bearish divergence, and we would either want to, set a stop loss, like we said, take profits at that high, or maybe look for a short entry. Quite possible. On the other hand, we have the bullish divergence. So, like I said, we're making blue is price. We're making lower lows, lower high, another lower low. Bearish price action, right? We're looking for that reversal. We're looking at our RSI, and RSI is starting, the momentum is starting to make higher highs and higher lows, and is, on its way up to go even higher. So that's where we would spot a bullish divergence, right? And the reversal of a bearish trend. And then below here we have hidden divergence. It's basically the exact same thing. Like price is kind of like, it's just not as simple. You're making higher highs and higher lows. And same. But you don't really need to pay attention to that. The main point of this video is to give you a very brief explanation tutorial on what a bullish and bearish divergence is, how you can spot it for yourself, and make better trading decisions. So let's hop right into the trading view chart, and I can show you on Bitcoin, Litecoin, etc. So now that we've hopped over to TradingView, I have the 4-hour chart for Bitcoin pulled up, and we're going to go into how we can spot a bullish and bearish divergence and see if we can find one and what we'll be looking for, right? So right now, if you zoom out, we are most certainly having bullish price action. Bitcoin's just hit 25K for the first time, I think, since like August, I think. Let's have a look at that actually. Wow. I don't want to be too off topic, but I'm curious. Yeah, so first time since August. Definitely had a nice run up. We flipped this downtrend here, as you can see. And I go over price action trading videos and all on my channel. If you'd like to go back, you can subscribe, turn notifications on, and if you like this video, that helps me out. But back to the point here. If you're wanting RSI, let's say you just started a TradingView account fresh, right? And you have no indicators at all. I currently have none on. You'll go up to the top here, just select indicators, type in RSI, and it's the first hit. Click it. Now all of a sudden, this chart's popping up down here for you, right? So here we can't really notice anything. RSI looks like it's bullish, starting to make higher highs here and here. If you wanted to look at it on this time frame, so we had this slight downtrend going from February 2nd. We were just making a lower low, a lower high here, a lower low because we took out these lows, right? And we we're kind of just waiting around in this area. Now you can kind of see that, okay, we're having bearish price action, lower lows, lower highs. Looking at my RSI, it's starting to make a higher high, especially right here. You can see momentum took out this high here, right? And then started taking off even more. So that was a bullish divergence right there. Wasn't as clean as the chart, but they're not always going to be. That's kind of the point. You need to be able to try and spot these for yourself and make your trading decisions. Another thing very important to remember is RSI is going to look different for every single time frame that you're looking at a chart. So if I look at the hourly, it's completely different. We're still having bearish price action, but we were having bullish RSI here as well. It was showing us, but it was a lot easier to notice on an hourly, as you could tell here. Like, took out this high, started pumping right here, and that was when we were still at like 22K. So you could have taken that as a bullish divergence and gone long, kind of like I did, around 21.6, and we're currently sitting at 24.5. Yes, that's hourly. You can take it even down to the 5-minute if you really want to. Now, the lower the time frame you look at this on, the less valid it's going to be, and the quicker you want to be out of the trade, right? So that depends on your risk tolerance. If you're just day trading, you're trying to be in trades for, no more than an hour, you're looking for a bullish or bearish divergence on a 5-minute chart, 15-minute chart, etc., then that's for you. If you're looking for, long-term swings, spot trading, not really using much leverage, maybe you're looking for options, etc., look for, the 4-hour and above, daily, maybe even the weekly, depending on what you're looking for. So that's pretty much it for bullish and bearish divergence. I will go over more videos here. The reason why I went long, to be honest with all of you, I did not spot this bullish divergence down here. What I noticed was I had my downtrend, had been intact. You could see how all I did was take a line from these 2 points and extend it. You could see how it was treated as resistance many times. We finally broke out, Wednesday, February 8th, back in again, did not hold. If you zoom in here, you can see, kind of held it for a little bit, ended up having that strong close below, which was also below that low there. That was a market structure break. Came up again, and that was the short entry right at the mid range at 22.9. Had that sell off, but I did not go long until I noticed we broke out again here, right? And then it had a nice, perfect retest of the downtrends. That's kind of my trading style, more of price action trading. When I see a downtrend, we've broken out of it, and a slight retest, and it just bounces immediately, that's my signal to go long. And I was targeting, Monday's low at 22.6 to Monday's high at 23.1. And I just got lucky that it kind of just kept mooning and even went for these highs printed in the beginning of February. So that's just kind of a little extra bonus to add into this video. If you enjoy the content, I appreciate if you like and subscribe. It really helps me out. Turn the notifications on because I'm posting videos similar to this, and I go over the weekly alpha update for crypto every Tuesday. And yeah, I appreciate you guys. Have a good one. See you next time.